Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read Robinhood charts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your application or to your web app or mobile app. And then you will need just to go to the invest panel or the investing tab in your mobile app. Then all you need to do is to choose the stock that you want to read its charts or that you want to learn about. So basically here you will find the list of charts. You can also create your own charts if you would like, etc. So I'm just going to choose this stock and then you will find these charts here. So basically this is just a summary of the charts and you can see for example in a period of week those are the prices and you can see the prices changes and you can it gives you a comparison or uh, the performance of the stock. So it was up and then it went good, it increased and then it declined and etc etc. But what you will need is to go to the advanced chart so you can have more details about your chart. So here you will find your indicators. You can add other indicators if you would like, and you can remove them if you would like to. So you can uh, hide them here if you want. So you can just click on hide and hide them again so you can hide your charts, etc. So basically, now you can choose the period of time that you want to see your charts. For example, in a period of a month, you can find uh, the performance of these charts. And you can see if it has increased here, for example, you can see the price in the right will be showing here. And this is the range price. And of course, you can see the date here at the bottom and you can start seeing the process or the performance of it. And of course, you can change to the candlestick charts so you can have uh, a more visible or a more clear vision on the stock. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.